So hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Like I said, I will be back and I am wearing the same clothes because I am doing about maybe 2 to 3 videos in the same day, so don't come for your girl. Okay, so let's get into this video. So I'm about to do an unboxing. Am I holding it right? Yeah. Unboxing. All right, guys. So I got this wig, and it's a headband wig from, what is it? This company's Affordhair. So I definitely will put their link in the description below so you can go and check them out. So let's open up this wig and see what is in there, and I'm going to install this bad boy for you. See, so your girl has her, you know, her head tie on and whatever. My hair is freshly washed and braided up, so let's get into this video. All right, so you just open it and ta-da! Yes, so when you open it, this is the wig here. It's 22 inches and it is a Brazilian curly hair. So let me, and of course, you know, I'm gonna put this bad boy on for you guys and fluff it a little bit and yeah, let you guys see how it looks on. Okay, so this is the hair. It comes in the wrappage package here, which is, this is good to have over your hair to keep it intact, and as usual. So as you see, it comes with 2 combs. Yeah, comes with 2 little combs, one for the front, one for the back. And like I told you, it is a headband wig. So your girl, you don't need no glue for this bad boy. You just put it on and go. Yes, so that is the new niche to it. You just put it on and go as well. And I'm going to show you guys, yeah, how I style this quickly. So the hair smell doesn't have no really smell to it. As you can see, it just lovely hair. And I also got a couple of headbands that came with it. Like, I literally just threw the hair on the ground. And I got a wig cap here, but girl, you don't even need a wig cap. You don't need a wig cap to put on this wig. I hardly wear wig caps when I put on my wigs. I find sometimes it's a little bit more itchy wearing the wig caps, so I don't really wear them. Your girl got my spray bottle here, so I'm gonna use that. And it also came, I got 2 headband wigs. I also got 2 headbands to put all over it, so you can use it as well. So let me show you what's been hiding underneath all of this. Oh, and for those that are new to my channel, my hair is 10 months post. Yeah, your girl got hair, look at this, 10 months post natural, and it was cut short and it was also permed. So now it's 10 months post, like non-perm, back to natural, because your girl's growing back out her hair. And look how far it's reached already. If you've been watching my vlogs, you would have known that I have cut my hair in 2020 at the beginning in January, and also at the end of February I had cut my hair again. So, and I haven't cut it since, and I just, well, except for when I did my big chop. So go and check out that as well. I did my big chop as well on this channel. So I'm gonna put this on. So I'm gonna slick. Woo! Look at that. The hair is already done. So you can leave out baby hairs and all that stuff. Yeah, girl, I don't think I'm gonna leave out no baby hair. I'm just gonna show you how I do it. I see everybody leaving out baby hair when they do it. I'm gonna do it without the baby hair, because it's not everything everybody does you need to do. Sometimes y'all need to switch it up and do your own thing. Okay, all right, so you guys see it, and I find, so just put this behind my little ears. Oh gosh. All right, see, and I've clipped, I think I clipped the front. No, I didn't put on the front yet. Shoot. All right, there we go. So I've clipped the front, and look at it. I don't even need to do anything. See, I am done. Look at that. Quick and easy. But I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle here, and I'm just gonna add some stuff to it. Okay, so I'm gonna add and give it that nice look. Ooh, we'll wet up that bad boy. If you don't see me looking in the camera, guys, is because I'm staring in the mirror that I have in front of me. All right, so, and the good thing is that this hair, you could literally comb it, you know. You could comb this. You could dye it if you want. Not because it is a headband wig that does not mean that you can't dye it. You could also dye it. You just have to be very careful when it comes to dyeing the headband part. So I'm just gonna give this a little bit of comb, and I didn't even need to brush this. I didn't need to brush this to show you guys, but I wanted to brush it to show you guys how I get that. And I love the nice wet look on these type of hair. It just gives you life. It just gives a girl a laugh. See, I'm combing through it, and I'm just going to wet. So I'm gonna wet it, and I could just use my hand and comb through it. Okay. And this spray brush, this spray bottle, I also got it from Amazon as well. So hey, say Amazon is doing their thing. When you go to the beauty store and can't get what you need, Amazon does the trick as well. I'm gonna put you guys on. All right, so I'm wetting it up. All right, and oh, it's getting that nice look. And here it's just conditioner and water. So look, do you see that? Ooh, do you guys see that? All right, so for me, I would just wear this outside like this. You know, I could just wear it outside like this, no problem at all. I could wear it outside like this, and I am done, ready to go, and that's pretty much it, you know. So you could wear it like this, and also when you're ready, you could fold this back, right? So you fold this back, because now we are gonna put on one of the headband. So let's see how the headband looks. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the blue first because I'm wearing blue. Going with the blue. Okay, and you go, all right, so you want to make sure to go over, and you could always, so all right, so for the headband, you could wear it different ways. If you want it big, really big and bold or whatever, you can wear it like this, right? So there's a look there. Yeah, like that, and wear it over your ears. Some women do that. Or what you do is you put it behind and you just adjust the top. And if you don't want that up there, you don't have to put that there. You can switch this to the back. Okay, so you switch this to the back, and now, all right, you go, girl. And now look at this. So now I have it a different way as well. So there's different ways that you could actually wear the headband when you put it on. It's not just one way. And like I said, you could also put it halfway back here like you see everybody do, and leave your baby hair out. So that is the other way as well that you can wear this. So that's the blue headband with it. Let me show you guys what the other headband looks like with it. I just don't got no time to be slicking down no baby hairs right now, so y'all gonna get the rough patches. Y'all getting some rough patch. All right, so this is the other headband here, so let me put it on, and I don't want my makeup getting on it, so quick slick over the neck. All right, and quick slip up, quick and fast slip up. All right, and you just adjust it. All right, so you can wear this one just like that and you're good to go. So this is another look. Just wear it just like that, you're good to go. Right, and definitely let me know if you guys want to see different ways to style this headband wig. I could do a video on that showing you guys how to style this headband wig in different ways as well. So, and then let me see, so you have the other part here, so, and you have the other part here where you just want to put it there. Okay, and this also covers, like I said, you do it to cover your hair, and you can do it so if you want to just have it so it's covering a good portion of your head, you could do it like that as well. So that is the other style for this headband wig, and you can fold this bad boy up as well, so fold it so it's even smaller, and you could show off that hairline, and you could just fluff. Okay, so you just fluff the hair a little bit just to give it that nice fluff look, and that's it, guys. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this quick tutorial of me putting on a headband lace wig. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to tell a friend to come over and join us for more videos like this. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. I have a try-on haul coming up for you guys as well, and a couple of other videos, so definitely stay tuned and stay blessed. Peace, guys.